Day two of my NEET Code 150 challenge. So this is LeetCode 242, valid anagram. So two strings are anagram if one of them is jumbled or shuffled and it can be transformed into a second string, then it is a valid anagram. So let's imagine you are in a word battle with your friend. You say listen, and your friend said silent. Okay, these are same letters, but they are in different order. This is anagram for you. Okay, so two letters are anagrams if one can be rearranged to form the other. Like cheater can be written as teacher, teacher can be written as cheater, funeral can be written as real fun, and real fun can be written as funeral, and schoolmaster can be written as the classroom, and the classroom can be written as schoolmaster. Okay, pretty cool, right? Now let's do this with the code. Before that, let's see the non-anagrams as well. This is anagram. Okay, this is naragram. Here we have R has extra character, though, so this is not an anagram. These are anagrams. Okay, this is this is also an example of non-anagram. I know they have same letters, but the frequency is different. So what's the brute force for this? So the brute force is we will sort the both the string alphabetically and let's see whether they are same or not. So now let's sort cheater alphabetically. ACEEHRT. Now sort teacher alphabetically. ACEEHRT. Now compare it. Both are same, right? So this is brute force method. And schoolmaster and the classroom. Let's make them alphabetical. ACEHHMOORSST actually. So both have same alphabetical order, they have same letters, so they are anagrams. But for apple, we have AELPP, which is an anagram, which is alphabetical, sorry. And we have appeal. When they are written in alphabetically, we will write this. So those are not same. So they are not anagrams. So this brute force, so we're gonna sort both strings. If they look identical like this, then they are anagrams. Both sorting is taking time. Time means like we go of n log n because we are sorting here. This is not great for long words. So what's the smarter way here? So what's the smarter way? So what's the smarter way here? Using a hash map or 26 letter frequency array. Now here we will use 26 letter frequency array. Okay? Okay. Here we have string 1 which is funeral and we have string 2 which is real fun. Okay? This is string 2 and this is string 1. Okay? We gonna increase or decrease plus 1 into this bucket array. This is known as bucket array. So each one of them is bucket. So this is an array. It has 26 size. Okay. It is a bucket array. Okay. If you add all of these buckets, okay, I'll show you. So when you put funeral into our table, we will add plus 1. When you put real fun, we will do minus 1. We're gonna increment here, we're gonna decrement here. You'll know why we are doing this. So for funeral, add plus 1. Okay, F for F. For U, add plus 1. For N, add plus 1. Okay. For E, add plus 1. For R, add plus 1. For A, add plus 1. For L, add plus 1. Okay. So for real fun, we're gonna do minus 1. We're gonna decrement here. Why we gonna decrement? We are doing this incrementing and decrementing to escape sorting because the sorting is giving us more complexity. So for R, we're gonna do minus 1. For E, minus 1. For A, minus 1. For L, minus 1. For F, minus 1. For U, minus 1. For N, minus 1. So this is 0. This is 0. So if you add all of these buckets and see what's the sum. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, and this is 0. So count how many each letter appears in both words, like, okay? So if every count matches, boom, they are anagrams. So for funeral we and real fun, they are anagrams because the when you add all of these buckets and we're gonna see the sum, it comes to be 0. So the complexity for this is big O of n, okay? Big O of n. So now let's see the code for this. So this is the code. We are giving two strings. Let's suppose for yes we are giving same word. For yes, for S we are giving funeral. For T we are giving real fun. Okay, both are two words. Let's see the size. So first we have to see the size, length of both of them. If they're not equal, then it's false. Now we are going to create 26 letter an array. So that's what we have done here. 26 letter array. Okay. This is the bucket array. Okay. 26. Size is 26. Okay. So for the first string, we gonna increment. For the second string, we gonna decrement. You have seen here, for the first string we have incremented, for the second string we have decremented, okay? And after getting the count, if the count is not equals to 0, then it is false, that they are not anagrams. If it is true, then it is anagram. Now let's run this code. Okay, we have the code ready here. Yes, success. It is accepted. Both the test cases have approved, accepted. Thank you.